Okay, here's a little video for Chelan Community Gardens when you're adding a post on formatting your text. So I just wanted to give you just a brief little note on that. So let's take a look here at some of the blog posts, and we'll just look at tomato, pepper, and eggplant starts. This blog. These are bold. Okay, these are bold. What I really want to show you is what's called heading number 2. That's these here. And notice just how when you put those in, it becomes clear that there's sections of the article. I just want to show you how easy that is. Okay, so from the website, let's go back, log in, get into your dashboard, go to posts. We're going to add a new one. And what I'm going to do is just paste in some text. This is actually the text that was in that tomato eggplant one. So format text. I'm just going to give it that name for now. And what I'd like to show you is let's make a section heading called participants. And it doesn't really make that much sense to have that name, but anyway, just highlight it and then under format choose heading 2. And it's going to look like many of the other posts that Beth is adding on the website when you use this for sections. Okay? And notice that down here we could make bullet points as well, right here, for date and time. And we just bring date and time back here. Okay, so we're kind of prettying up this this text on the page and making it a little bit easier to read. And notice that when I first wrote this article, I didn't take the time to do this. So you may or may not, but if you do, it's going to make it easier. So here's participants, potluck. Well, really, it's not a potluck, so we would make that bold. But feel free to bring something. And then down here, we just say time and highlight it. Choose format heading 2. Okay, and take away the extra spaces that we have. Now if you want to get rid of that, highlight it and just go back to paragraph format. See, it goes back to what it was. Heading 2. You've got bullet points, numbering, underline, bold, italics. I like this paragraph too. If you had a quote from something, you could highlight it, for instance, and just choose the quote piece, and it's going to look like that. Give it a little bit of a standout. There's centering, left align, right align, and there's ways to add links and things like that, but those are more advanced, and I'll talk to you about those individually if you want. One final note here, if you do add something from Word, let's say you write something in Microsoft Word, it's good to paste it using this little button right here. If you do that, it's going to take away the old Word formatting so it doesn't interfere with the WordPress formatting. And all you would do is click where you want the text to go. Let's say we want it right there. Open up this little piece. It says can use Control V to paste it in. This was the original text, but I just want to show you, and then you would insert it. And there it is. It comes back in. But now cleared of any Microsoft Word formatting, so it won't interfere with what you're working on. Okay, that's a couple tips for formatting. Let's go take a look now. We'll do a preview and see how this looks on the website. Preview, come on, you can do this. Here we go. Okay, this is called format text. And notice these are headings. And see how they set apart the text, make it a little easier to read. 3 important things with bullet points: date and time, location, direction. And here's that quotation piece. So if I actually brought in a quote or some special little note that I wanted on the website to stand out, this is how it makes it look. Alright, so just thought that might be helpful in formatting your text. Thanks a bunch, and enjoy creating content for this wonderful website and sharing it with folks. Alright.